Hello mga kamat. Sa bidyong ito, ang lesson natin ay writing an equation of a line given a slope and a point. So, okay, discuss na natin. So, ito yung problem. So, write the equation of a line given slope -4 and the point 3, 5. So, sa standard form natin ito susulat. So, gagamit tayo ng point slope form kapag ang given ay slope at isang point. So, isa-substitute lang natin. So, y sub 1 natin is 5. And then yung slope natin, -4. And then yung x sub 1 is +3. So make sure na tama yung pag-substitute para wala tayong problema. So negative times 5 is -5, of course. And negative times 3 is -3. So substitute na lang natin yan. So -4 times x is -4x. And -4 times -3 is +4. And of course, bring down natin yung y minus 5. So, transposition method ang gagamitin natin. So, yung -4x, magiging 4x pag i-transfer sa next side. And ganoon din yung -5. Yan. Yung standard form kasi is ax plus by plus c is equal to c. Kaya ito yung ating standard form. 4x plus y is equal to 17. So, okay. So, ganun lang, no? So, review natin. Kapag nagsusulat tayo ng equation of a line, na ang given ay slope and the point, so gagamit tayo ng point slope form. So yung y minus y sub 1 is equal to the slope quantity of x minus x sub 1. Okay, so that's all for today.